Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic, the previous year question paper problems. It's very important problems. First problem, a force F is equal to 20 plus 10y acts on a particle in y direction where F is in Newton and y in meter. Work done by this force to move the particle from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1 meter. Okay, when a force F which is in a variable is moving the particle from y is equal to 0 to 1 meter, then find out work done process. First write given equation. F is equal to 20 plus 10y. F is equal to 20 plus 10y in this given equation. The particle in y direction, the particle moving in y direction, the work done is equal to integration, the two limits. First one is lower limit y1, upper limit is y2, f dot dy. F dot dy. This is the problem for the variable force problem. The same problem asked in 2019 edition NEET level question paper. Work done is equal to y1 is equal to 0 lower limit, y1 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to 1. 20 plus 10y into dy. Work done is equal to y plus 10 y square by 2. The limits 0 to 1. Work done is equal to, first to substitute in the upper limit value minus lower limit value. First I take first upper level value 20 into 1 plus 10 into 1 by 1 square by 2. 2 ones, 2 5s. Work done is equal to 20 plus 5, that is equal to 25 joule. Work done is equal to 25 joule. This is a very important problem to previous year 2019 edition paper NEET level. This is the first problem. Next to second problem, discuss second problem. A force of 10 Newton is applied on an object of mass 2 kg placed on a rough surface having coefficient of frictional force is equal to 0.2. Then find out work done by applied force in 4 seconds is. This is the problem. First to draw the diagram. Rough surface, body of mass 2 kg, 10 Newton force is applied in forward direction, 10 Newton, that is applied force, capital letter F. So one force is acting reverse direction, that force is frictional force. F is equal to 10 Newton, T is equal to 4 seconds and M is equal to 2 kg. Next, coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0.2. Therefore, frictional force, first to find out frictional force. F is equal to mu n. F is equal to mu mg. F is equal to the mu value 0.2 into 2 into 10, 0.2 into 2, 0.4 into 10, 4 Newton. Frictional force is equal to 4 Newton and applied force is equal to 10 Newton. These two are acting in opposite direction. Then find out net force. F net is equal to 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6 Newton. Net force is equal to 6 Newton. According to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Then acceleration, find out acceleration is equal to F net by m, that is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 meter per second square. A is equal to 3 meter per second square. Okay, next to find out displacement. Okay, time value is there, t is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, before coming to motion, the body will be rest position. Then initial velocity u is equal to 0. According to kinematics second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Then s is equal to 0 plus half a value 3 meter per second square, 3 into t value 4, 4 into 4, 2 ones 2 twos. Then s is equal to 3 twos 6, 6 fours are 24 meter, 24 meter. Last, find out work done by applied force. Work done by applied force. The work done is equal to force into displacement. Then work done is equal to force into displacement. The applied force is equal to 10 into 24, that is equal to 240 joule. This is the second problem. Discuss third problem, student. A body of mass 3 kg is under a force which causes a displacement in it given by s is equal to t square by 3 in meter. Work done by force in 2 seconds is. A very simple problem. It's a very important problem for NEET students. First, take values. M is equal to 3 kg. Next, write the equation. S is equal to t square by 3. S is equal to t square by 3. Okay, work done, find out, student. Work done formula, W is equal to F into S. F is the mass into acceleration. Mass value is there. Next to acceleration. In this displacement is a differentiation with respect to time taken. Then V is equal to ds by dt, that is equal to 2t by 3. 2t by 3. This is the velocity. Next, acceleration A is equal to, again differentiation, d square s by dt square, that is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. In this condition, a force is constant, then acceleration also constant, then work done is equal to integration is the limits 0 to 2 seconds, 0 to 2 seconds F into ds, F into ds. Work done is equal to integration 0 to 2, F is equal to ma, m into a value d square s by dt square into ds. Then work done is equal to 0 to 2 m into d square s by dt square. In this ds, it is written as ds by dt into dt with respect to time taken. Work done is equal to integration 0 to 2, m value 3 kg, 3 into d square s by dt square, that is the acceleration 2 by 3 into ds by dt, that is velocity 2t by 3 into with respect to time taken. Work done is equal to 0 to 2, 3 cancel, remaining 4t by 3 into dt. Okay, next work done is equal to 4 by 3 common, 4 by 3 integration 0 to 2 t dt. Work done is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, integration t is the t square by 2. The limit value is 0 to 2. The work done is equal to 4 by 3 into 2 square. 2 square is the 4 by 2. 2 ones to 2 twos. Work done is equal to 8 by 3. Okay, 8 by 3. Okay, these two division, that value 2.6 joule. 2.6 joule. This is the third problem. Next, fourth problem. A block of mass 1 kg is pushed up a surface inclined to horizontal at an angle of 30 degree by a force of 10 Newton parallel to the inclined surface as shown in the figure. In this figure, if the block is pushed up by 10 meter along the incline, okay, this inclined plane is, that length is a 10 meter, then the work done against gravity is, take g is equal to 10 meter per second. So very simple problem in this one. So mainly in this figure is very important. First to draw the figure. The block mass is equal to 1 kg. Okay, given that mass is equal to 1 kg, that an angle 30 degrees, then theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, body is moving in upward direction, pushing. The pushing force, that force is a 10 Newton. Okay, this is the F is equal to 10 Newton force. Okay, body is pushing upward direction, one force is acting in downward direction. The what type of force? Frictional force, that is opposite to relative motion of the body. Okay, normal force acting upward direction in this block. The weight, gravitational force acting in downward direction, that is mg. Make an angle theta. This theta angle resolve into two components. First one is a horizontal component, second is vertical component. In this horizontal component, mg cos theta. This is the vertical component, mg sin theta. mg sin theta. The distance covered, the total inclined plane distance in this one, this is the distance. This is the distance. Distance is equal to 10 meter. Okay, the opposite side is the, it is taken as the d sin theta. This is the height. In case the vertical component is the, that is the horizontal component is the d cos theta. I take d sin theta, that is the height. Okay, in this one d is equal to 10 meter. Then find out work done against gravity. work done against gravity against gravity is Wg is equal to m, actually mgh, actual formula mgh, and this mg into h value d sin theta, okay. M is equal to 1 into g value 10 meter per second square into d is equal to 10 into sin 30, okay. Sin 30 value 1 by 2, okay. 10 tens 100 into 1 by 2, 2 ones 250, that is equal to 50 joule. This is the very important problem in this one. It's very important problem. The first, in this condition, the block is moving in upward direction, that is the force applied in upward direction, and the block and inclined plane, these two are contact with each other. So one force is acting downward direction, that is a relative motion of the body. One force is the opposite direction of applied force, that force is called force of friction. The force of friction is acting downward direction, and the normal force is acting upward direction, and the gravitational force is a downward direction, vertically downward direction, making angle theta. Theta is resolved into two component. First one is a horizontal component, second is vertical component. Horizontal component mg cos theta, vertical component mg sin theta, okay. The distance covered in the inclined plane is 10 meter. The opposite side is the height. The height is taken d sin theta. Therefore, the work done against gravity is Wg is equal to, actual formula W is equal to mgh. M into g into h is the d sin theta. Okay, then the above I'll substitute in this formula. Then find out easily. Work done against gravity, Wg is equal to 50 joule. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.